Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can make a community on Whop. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Define your goal. Decide the purpose of your community, whether it's to build connections, promote a service, or sell a product. This helps shape your content, tone, and structure. Step 2. Choose the right platform. Pick a user-friendly and widely used platform that fits your goals. Discord is highly recommended for creators due to its flexibility and growth tools. Step 3. Set up your Discord server. Create your server and use bots like role, subscription, or reward bots. You can charge for access, add roles, and design your server for premium experiences. Step 4. Create high-quality content. Start posting relevant and valuable content videos, blogs, podcasts, etc. Make sure it aligns with your community's interests and trends. Step 5. Engage with your community. Stay active, reply to members, and encourage discussions. Host events, Q&As, and create spaces for members to interact with each other. Step 6. Build your community. Promote on social media, invite people, and encourage members to bring others in. Keep the growth steady by offering value. Step 7. Analyze and adjust. Track metrics like engagement and feedback. Use insights to tweak your strategy and improve what's working. Step 8. Monetize your community. Once established, monetize using Whop. Offer subscriptions, paid content, or sell access. Whop makes it easy to create custom plans and rewards for members.